Hello, let us find the solution for these two questions. I have taken these two questions from the previous year question paper for engineering entrance exam. Let's find the first question. Here it is asked that Ohm's law is valid if. Before knowing about the options, we can find that what is Ohm's law. It was developed by a German physicist named Georg Simon Ohm, which became the fundamentals of electronics. He stated that voltage across the circuit is directly proportional to the current through the circuit. That is, if we remove the proportionality into a constant, the equation becomes voltage is equal to resistance into current. This was the law stated by Georg Simon Ohm. For the better understanding and application of the Ohm's law, we can now study about this triangle. That is, if we are asked to formulate what is voltage, you have to apply the formula current into resistance. Okay, similarly, if you are asked about current, you have the formula of voltage divided by resistance. Similarly, if you are asked about the resistance, you can now write the formula as voltage divided by current. Okay. Now we can check the options given for the question. So the first option given is that voltage is directly proportional to IQ. Is that so? Voltage is not directly proportional to IQ. So this is a wrong option. Now we can check the next option, that is the relation between voltage and current depends on the sign of voltage for the same absolute value of voltage. Is that so? No, it can never be related, depends on the sign of voltage. So this option is also a wrong option. And the next option is the relation between voltage and current is non-unique. Is that so? No, the relation between voltage and current is always a unique relation. So, we can conclude that the final option, that is voltage depends upon current linearly. Is that so? Yes, it is the right answer. Voltage depends upon the current linearly. Okay, now let's go to the question number 2. That is a 1 meter long wire of diameter 0.31 millimeter has a resistance of 4.2 ohm. That is, one wire having a length of 1 meter, diameter of 0.31 millimeter has a resistance of 4.2 ohm. If it is replaced by another wire of the same material of length 1.5 meter, here the new length is 1.5 meter and the diameter of the new wire is 0.155 millimeter. You have to find the resistance of the wire. Okay, for such a question you don't need to look on the options, you just simply solve the question by applying the formulas. Here the options given are, these are the options given, but we can directly solve the question by applying the formula, that is resistance of the first wire is equal to 4.2 ohm. Radius of the first wire is equal to 0.31 divided by 2, that is 0.155. And radius of the second wire is equal to 0.155 divided by 2 is equal to 0.0775. And the formula here we are going to apply is that resistance is equal to resistivity of the material into length divided by the area of the conductor. Here the resistivity is the constant for both the wires, so we are applying only for the length and the area. Therefore, the formula becomes R1 by R2 is equal to L1 by L2 into A2 by A1. Is that clear for all of you? Next, resistance of the second wire is equal to, we are applying the values to the equation. R2 is equal to 4.2 multiplied by 1.5 by 1 into 0.155 by 0.0775 the whole square. Here we are applying only the R2 by R1 the whole square since the pi value is constant. Therefore, R2 becomes 4.2 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 2 square, that is 4. Therefore, the answer is 25.2 ohm. The option A. Thank you for watching this video. Check back with us for more questions and its solutions.